Today's video is all about how to prepare fresh sea moss gel. Irish sea moss is also known as Chondrus crispus. Chondrus crispus is the only true Irish moss grown exclusively in the cold, clean waters of the North Atlantic. The sea moss I consume has been wild crafted and sustainably hand harvested from the Gulf of Maine. Sea moss health benefits. It is believed that sea moss contains 92 trace minerals. It supports thyroid health, clears respiratory system of mucus, boosts gut health, improves libido levels and sexual performance, eases joint swelling, supports anemia treatment, speeds up weight loss, improves blood circulation, and promotes overall health and wellness. Step 1. Inspect. This is the time that we inspect our sea moss for any rocks, large particles, or debris that may have remained present after its initial harvesting period. Step 2. Rinse. After removing small rocks, particles, and debris, it is time to rinse our sea moss. We're rinsing off any excess dirt and salt that still may be present, making certain to thoroughly clean our sea moss. Step 3. Soak. Now that our sea moss has been thoroughly cleaned, it is time to soak our sea moss. Be sure to use your clean water of choice, distilled spring or filtered water. Now that we've soaked our sea moss overnight, it is time to prepare for our next step. Step 4. Add hot water. In this step of our process, we're adding hot water to our sea moss and allowing that to steep for 20 minutes. Adding the hot water really releases that gelatinous consistency that we want present in our sea moss gel. And in my opinion, it breaks down those cell walls, allowing the nutrients to be more easily accessible. You can definitely skip this step if you want to do the no heat way and just use your already clean water source in sea moss. Step 5. Blend. Now it's time for the fun part. We're adding our sea moss to our blender. We will be sure to blend till we reach our desired consistency. Step 6. Transfer your sea moss to a glass jar. It is very important while storing your sea moss to leave a small opening in your container. This will allow the sea moss to breathe, which extends the freshness of it and the shelf life. And now the moment we've all been waiting for, we have created our fresh sea moss gel. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please comment below if you have any questions or if you decide to try the recipe for yourself.